This is the reason why a lot of people are upset, because of the programming that you got when you first started understanding programming at 2 and 3 years old. So you have a Tammy Tattletale. And you have the teacher goes, Tammy goes, oh, Billy called me a poopy head. And then you have the one teacher who goes, Billy, don't do that. Then you have the other teacher that's still, she's checked in, she loves her job, she stands up. Billy's not here today. And then Tammy's like, oh, okay, then Joey's it's not real. It's whatever. Okay, so now Tammy comes up to you and goes, Stacy called me a poopy head. And then the teacher, doing her programming, goes, Tammy, come over here, I have this, Tammy, tell Stacy how she made you feel when she called you a poopy head. And then Stacy does her, I'm sorry. And teacher's like, oh good, you said the magical words, I really don't mean anything, but now I can go ahead and leave. I'm sorry, like the same I'm sorry, you say more confidently, pull it over. You have the same authenticity, whatever. So then you have then Tammy wants attention again. And Tammy wants attention again, and she says, Stephanie said I'm not invited to my own birthday party. And the teacher's like, well, I didn't get an invite either, at least one friend. So the teacher's like, all right, let me handle this. And the teacher, in her programming, goes, okay, I got this. Tammy, tell Stacy how she made you feel about. Okay, so in these situations, what is Tammy getting programmed? What is every child that's hearing this getting programmed? Think about this. What's that? I can't hear you. Okay, so Tammy's getting programmed that. She's getting attention, but there's something deeper. There's something darker. There's something that is destroying this planet. Bless you. She thinks she's a poopy head? Okay, so hold on a second. I don't know that, because, okay, what did you say?
Not telling, not the voice her.
Say it louder.
She's not telling, she's teaching her not to say anything.
Oh, she's teaching her not to say anything? Okay, all valid responses. Notice how our mind won't even go to the answer. Okay, that's a valid answer too.
Or you're teaching them not to be genuine and authentic with their apology. You're having to have them say the magical words.
Okay. That's a valid point too. Try on. Tammy, tell her how she made you feel. Tammy, tell him how he made you feel. Tammy, blah, blah. You've been programmed your whole entire life. If you're not, hold on a second, ready? Because I want to make sure everyone's paying attention. I like the way you're not looking at your phone. I like the way you're not looking at your phone. Do I want you looking at your phone right now? Or do I want you looking at me? Awesome. Okay, cool. Yeah, we'll go over that later, okay? We have been taught to believe. We have been taught to believe that other people can make us feel a certain way. You have been programmed as a child. Billy can make you mad. Susie can make you sad. Joey can make you jealous. Bobby can make you upset. Never happened. In your mind it happened. In reality it never happened. This is the hardest thing for people to even consider, but if you do and you take it on, your whole life changes from this point on. If you realize that no one's ever made you mad, you've made yourself mad and blame them. Not your fault. You've been programmed that way. It's just what happens. How much, when you go, and here's where you're going to really see it, next time you watch TV or radio or movies, you're going to hear it over and over. He made me mad. She made me upset. He made me jealous. He's so rude. Oh, the whole world is about putting our emotions and our feelings on everybody else and not choosing to be responsible about anything that we do. And then you wonder why your life isn't going the way that it is. If you take on being responsible right now, it's magical.